Designing your first apartment can be exciting and overwhelming at the same time. You want your space to look beautiful, but you're also worried about budget, mistakes, and buying the wrong things. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design your first apartment on a budget without ending up with a space that feels cramped and unfinished or poorly planned. Now, if this sounds like you, just keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chika, your interior designer and the creative director of Eunicon Interior. And as usual, I help you plan, design, and beautify your space. Now let's get into it. The first thing to start with is a plan. You must have a plan. The biggest mistake I see first-time apartment owners make is buying furniture without a plan. You see a nice sofa, you buy it. You see a nice table, you buy it. And before you know it, nothing works together. Everything just looks like they don't belong in the same space. Now, before you spend any money, you need to decide, one, the style that you like, the color that you are drawn to, and how you want the space to function. Even a simple Pinterest mood board can help you save a lot of money and regret. I believe we know what Pinterest is. Check it out, and it will help you out. The next thing is to spend on the right thing. When you are on a budget, you can't spend everywhere. You have to spend wisely. Know the things that are a must-have and the things that are nice to have. That way you can prioritize. Your money should go into a good sofa, a comfortable mattress, and a solid bed frame. And of course, basic functional furniture. These are the items you use every day. Decor can come later. Aesthetics and all of that. You can figure all of that later. The next point is to keep big furniture neutral. Big furniture, usually I'll ask what's the largest item in the living room. That's your sofa, your curtains, all of those things are big items, right? So keep them neutral. One big mistake beginners make is buying bold or trendy furniture too early. Bright sofas and loud colors might look nice now, but they limit you later. They limit what you can do with the space. So think neutral furniture, beige, gray, cream, natural wood. All of these gives you flexibility to play with the space. You can always add color with throw pillows, rugs, and artworks later on. The next thing is to think about the furniture and the layout, the size of the furniture and the layout. Most first apartments are not very big, not very large, so furniture size matters a lot. Oversized furniture will make your space feel tight and uncomfortable. So you need to measure your space, leave room for movement, and don't overcrowd the room. Good space planning can make even a small space feel spacious. So always measure your space. You can always get a tape. It's easy to use. Measure your space and figure out the right furniture for your space. Lighting is another important aspect to think about. Lighting changes everything. I like to say that without lighting there is almost no design. So lighting is one of the cheapest ways you can upgrade your apartment. Don't rely on ceiling lights alone. Ceiling lights are a must, but you need to add floor lamps, bedside lamps, warm bulbs, and your space will instantly feel inviting. In as much as we say play with lighting, do not have red, blue lights, things that look like this. Don't do it. Don't have it in your living room. It doesn't look good. Okay, don't do it. I insist. Don't do it. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, I understand all of these things she's saying, but I still don't know where to start from. You're not alone. It can be overwhelming. It sounds simple, but it can be overwhelming. So we have created a Eunicon signature space transformation offer. This is a budget-friendly design service for people setting up their spaces, their apartments for the first time. Here is what you get: a personalized mood board, a proper space layout, color guidance, furniture and decor recommendation, and a list of items to purchase. Now, buying items can be confusing because you don't know what to buy. What do I need? What do I not need? So you'll get a list of items that you could buy so that you would save money and time and avoid any future regrets. Now, if you are interested in this, send the word transform to Eunicon Interior either on Instagram or WhatsApp. Now, if you love this video, I believe you did. If you love this video, give a like, a thumb up, share this video to someone who you think is about to set up their apartment or just did and didn't do it correctly. Send it to them and subscribe to this channel. I remain your friendly neighborhood interior designer, Chika. Thank you for always being here. Bye.